This video demonstrates how to install the Siren Marine high water sensor and activate it in the app. The Siren 3 Pro must be configured with the Siren Marine app prior to adding sensors. Installation and setup of the Siren 3 Pro is demonstrated in a separate video. To begin, unbox the sensor and remove the module. The package also includes a secondary QR code, support documents, a decal, the sensor tail, internal battery, and mounting screws. Peel the Quick Start guide from the back of the module and remove the mounting bracket to reveal the QR code. Now open the Siren Marine app and go to Settings, Add Wireless Sensor. This will launch the QR code scanner. Now scan the QR code on the sensor and confirm the successful scan. You're required to input a name for the sensor. Then select the sensor type, High Water, and choose Add. Confirm the successful addition. Now plug the sensor tail into the module. Then use the supplied hex wrench and fasteners to secure the sensor tail to the module. With the sensor successfully paired, it's time to install the battery. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the 4 Phillips head fasteners on the back of the module and remove the cover plate. Take the coin cell battery with the positive side facing out and insert it into the cradle. A light on the circuit board will flash 4 times, indicating power. It's recommended to replace the internal battery in each wireless sensor once a year as part of the annual maintenance. Replace the cover plate and secure the fasteners. The sensor can be mounted using either 3M tape or mounting screws. In this scenario, we have a flat, smooth, clean surface, so we'll be using the 3M tape. Peel the wax paper off the 3M tape and firmly apply the module in place. Then peel the wax paper off the 3M tape on the sensor tail and firmly place it with the 2 pins facing downward. Note, the sensor should be mounted at the maximum level you would allow water to reach before alerting you. If the pins come in contact with water, the app will be alerted. When dry, it'll return to a normal status. If you have any questions, please refer to the applicable Siren Marine manual. Thanks for watching.